this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix this video file cannot be played error that is happening on the Google Chrome when you're trying to play this. Error code 224003 that is happening and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is try get into the Google Chrome, and from here you have to click on the three-dot menu, and from here we need to navigate to the settings. From here we need to go to the system, and there is an option called use graphics acceleration when available. So if it is actually turned on, what in each bus we have to turn it off. If it is actually turned off, you're fine with it, you don't have to do anything. You can skip this step and move to the next one. So if it is turned on, you have to try turning off this. When you turn off this, you'll be having a relaunch option here. Just click on this. Now that will take you back to the Google Chrome once again, and you have to check. After doing these steps, the next thing is all about we need to go over, click on the privacy and security. From here we have to click on the deleting browsing data, and from here make sure that you put a check on all these boxes and click on more and set this to all time. Once you get into this, we have to go for delete data, and once everything's deleted you have to check with it. And also try disabling the extension. So go over here in the extension, and if you have any kind of an extension, you have to remove this completely over here, or you can try turning off this. Once done, you can just go back. Then you can check with your Google Chrome, and any kind of an issue related to this will not be working. Every kind of things will be completely gone, and this is what we have to do. And I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.